Hello and welcome to Meditation Made Easy. I'm here to guide you through this simple yet effective meditation practice. If you're new to meditation or looking for a quick way to relax and find inner peace, this session is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, find a comfortable position, either seated on a cushion or chair, or lying down on your back. Close your eyes and take a moment to settle into your body. Noticing any sensations or areas of tension. Now, begin to take slow, deep breaths in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Then exhale through your mouth, allowing your body to relax with each breath. Continue this pattern of deep, calming breaths. As you breathe, bring your focus to the sensation of your breath. Notice the cool air entering your nostrils and the warm air leaving your mouth. Feel your chest and belly rise and fall with each inhale and exhale. If your mind begins to wander, that's completely normal. Just gently acknowledge the thought and then redirect your focus back to your breath. There's no need to judge or criticize yourself. Simply observe and let go. Now, as we continue to breathe deeply, let's introduce a simple mantra to help anchor our minds. Silently repeat to yourself the words, "I am," as you inhale, and "at peace" as you exhale. Feeling the calm energy these words bring to your mind and body. I am at peace. Continue to focus on your breath and the mantra, allowing your mind and body to become more relaxed and centered. As we come to the end of this 5-minute beginner's meditation, take one more deep breath in and then gently exhale. begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings, wiggling your fingers and toes, and taking a few more deep breaths. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to notice how you feel. Thank yourself for taking this time to find inner calm and peace. Thank you for joining me in today's meditation. Remember, you can always return to this simple practice whenever you need a moment of relaxation and clarity. Have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you soon.